Welcome to our Stickers Galore AI Generator how-to video. Hi, my name is Julie, and I am the creator of this GPT. You can find me online on Facebook, so please join our Facebook group, follow my Facebook business page, or my personal creator page. Now let's get started. As with all of our AI generators, a ChatGPT account is needed, and the Plus account is recommended. Our art generators are super easy to use, as you can see, and our latest creation, Stickers Galore AI Studio, is no different. With our generators, less prompting will always give you better designs. To get some really amazing designs, check out the How to PDF guide that you receive with your purchase and try out all the awesome styles and fonts to create beautiful sticker designs every time. Now, when you create your designs, I will also walk you through an additional step to take in Canva in order to place a white outline around your sticker to make it official. Okay, now let me show you how to take your AI generated sticker design and set it up inside Canva. First, open Canva and create a new design. I'm going to choose a custom size and make my canvas 3 inches by 3 inches. But remember, you can make your canvas whatever size you want your finished sticker to be. Next, it's time to add your artwork. You can either copy and paste your AI generated image directly onto the canvas, or you can upload the image from your computer or device. Once your artwork is on the canvas, resize and position it until you're happy with how it looks. Now we're going to remove the background. Select your image and use Canva's background remover. Give Canva a moment to remove the background and then take a quick look around your design to make sure the edges are nice and clean. Now this next step is optional. If you want that classic white border around your sticker, select your image and click Edit. From there, choose Shadows and then click See All. Select the outline option. For the outline color, choose white or whatever color you like. Set the size to about 38. You can make that number higher or lower depending on how thick you want your sticker border to be. Set the blur to 0 and the transparency to 100%, and there you go. You now have a clean, professional looking sticker with a white outline that's ready for the next step. And remember, you do not have to add the white outline. If your design looks better with its natural edges, you can absolutely leave it off. Thank you for watching, and please follow me on Facebook for more GPT AI generators and tips on how to start a digital download business. Next, to download your image for 300 dpi so that you can get it print ready or ready to sell as a digital download, you will choose Share from the top right-hand corner of Canva, then Download from the drop-down menu. From there, you will change file type to PNG. Any file size above 900 by 900 pixels will produce a 300 dpi image, so any file size above that is fine to download. Your image is now ready to send for print for regular stickers, UVD TF stickers, or if you are selling digital files. And remember, these images can also become t-shirt designs, journal cover designs, and so much. Thank you for watching, and stay in the loop for new AI generators.